Do you like pasta salad? You're gonna love this Southwest style version. Instead of mayo, the dressing for this salad is salsa and lime juice. It's an oil-free pasta salad that is packed with flavor and totally addictive. Let's do it! The base for this salad is rotini pasta. I like to use tricolor rotini because it's just so pretty. Cook your pasta, then add black beans, chopped avocado, green onion, and your favorite salsa. Now you're gonna add corn. You can use raw corn, cooked corn, canned or frozen. I like to use raw corn the best because I feel like it brings some really great texture and even more flavor to this dish. Now add garlic powder, cumin, coriander, and chipotle chili powder, and a generous squeeze of lime juice. Mix it all together and chill your pasta salad until it's ready to serve. Or serve it right away because it's so delicious. This recipe makes a great appetizer or side dish for cookouts or picnics. How will you serve it? I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this Southwest pasta salad. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!